Now you can see the LED panel is blinking. The blinking sight will reflect what part or component is at 40. Two blinking LED marking the disconnection or malfunction of the sensor and as well as the motor. Now in this case, I have taken out the panel. The problem is the motor. I'll just open the back case to show you the fan motor of the Samsung inverter 2-door fridge side by side. This is a 9B motor, and the size of the motor, the type is marked here. DREP 3030 LA. Now opening the internal part of the motor, as you can see, is quite worn out. Maybe there's a reason why it's start malfunctioning. Now the good thing is the part has arrived. I've ordered an extra sensor just in case. The motor connection cable and the motor, the brand new motor. Well, to replace the motor, remember to take off the rubber pieces. These are the absorber to prevent the vibrational noise and movement. So this rubber, you need to put it back. Yep. And after that, just put it back to the casing. Remember to connect back the connection. And in case it's still not functioning, probably this connection cable is faulty as well. And close back the cap, but screw it back, the cap screw. And on the other side, there are two more screws that you must secure. Yep, up here as well. I have temporarily taped it back while waiting for the parts. So just to show the internal structure, and the lower one, yeah. Now how it functions is when the fan stops moving, it does not blow or circulate the internal air to the entire cabin. So this area will be frozen, and then the other side of the fridge is not cold because the fan is not being blown through this duct to this side. It's safer to switch off before doing the reconnection. A torch will be helpful now. Let's assemble back the part. So the sensor connection and the fan connection has to be reconnected to these two ports. Yeah. Now the two port is connected. Remember the way it is snapped in. There is a latch here, and for here there's a latch behind. This latch and this latch, yeah. Don't assemble it reverse way, you'll be in big trouble. Now pushing back the plastic case, there are some fitting area here that easily match and pop in. Once the fan is in place, and then the next thing is to screw here. Right now it's all done. Before we put back the casing, we will switch it on back and see if the fan is functioning and whether the LED panel malfunctioning signal has disappeared. Hana to set. Right, it's back online. And this is the rebooted temperature. Now let's see. These two buttons, press for 10 seconds. Wait. So we set it back. Right. Now we will set the desired freezer temperature and the desired temperature of the fridge. Oh, the magical moment. Yeah, the fan is working. But you have to close the door. Close it and reopen. There. To capture the fan movement. And you see the temperature is dropping very quickly. So I think it's a time to close back this casing, and when this casing is closed, the fan will force the air to blow into this channel to the fridge. Then you will see the fridge temperature begin to lower down effectively. Now the panel has been fully assembled back, and once you close the door, you will hear the fan start blowing, and you will see the temperature drop both very quickly. Although the service manual said that it will take up to 24 hours to normalize the temperature. Now let's see if you guys can hear the humming sound of the normally working fan when the door is closed. Hope you guys enjoy the video.